Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a really quick nail art tutorial using some new polishes from Nails Inc.'s Life Hack collection, as well as a new stamping plate from Born Pretty store. So if you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off with Nails Inc.'s NAILKALE Superfood Base Coat and apply that to all of my nails. Then I'm going to use this light pink called Anti-Social Climber from Nails Inc.'s Life Hack collection, and I'm going to use this as a base. Anti-Social Climber is opaque in 2 coats, and it is such a gorgeous everyday pink polish. Next, I'm going to apply Edge Perfection all around my nail because I am going to be doing some stamping that will get a little bit messy. This is Born Pretty's stamping plate in BPL002. I'll have a link to this product as well as some discount codes in the description box below. I'm going to use my favorite white polish called Whiteout from Nails Inc. and I'm going to apply it to this square pattern on the Born Pretty stamping plate. I like to call this pattern the graph paper design because it totally reminds me of graph paper. I'm going to pick it up using my Born Pretty stamper and apply it directly onto my nail. Then I'm going to use SEXTING, also from the Life Hack collection, and stamp a couple roses from the same plate. I'm going to stamp 1 to 2 roses in the corner of my nail, and then stamp another 1 or 2 in the opposite corner. Then I'm going to clean up by removing the Edge Perfection from around my nail with a pair of tweezers, and I'm going to apply Nails Inc.'s Kensington Caviar top coat to seal in the design. And you're done! And here's the finished design. As always, I'll list all the products that I used in this design down in the description box below. Nails Inc.'s Life Hack collection and their new holiday products can be purchased at Sephora or at nailsinc.com. They do have some really fun holiday collections out now, so I definitely recommend you checking those out down below. I also have a 10% off discount code for Born Pretty store. I'll leave that in the description box below, as well as links to the products that I used in this video. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. If you missed my last video, you can watch that by clicking your screen or the link in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!